Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the windshield wipers, fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about that. Also, we'll share about hidden fuse boxes, information you need to know to save you money. And by the way, if you need to replace any parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, the windshield wipers, fuses and relays come and we'll show you where you can expect to find them guys. Now, what we need to do here guys, quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners of that generation Mercedes C-Class do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. You may have up to 6-7 different fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video our subscribers told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do now, we need to go ahead and open the hood. Now when you open the hood, there will be a surprise here, you'll see in a little bit. Facing the engine on the driver's side we have a cover here, right? Okay, that cover. You need to go ahead and twist that knob 90 degrees counterclockwise. You have one more on the back side. Underneath you see that's a fuse box. You have a black cover that attaches with two bolts with Torx 20. You need to remove them, and underneath you're going to have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, now here it's a little bit confusing, but we'll try to explain it the best we can. Some models will have a fuse, some will not. If you don't, make sure to stay until the end, we want to talk about that as well. But for the wipers, the fuse that you need to check if you have it, it will be fuse number 109, right here, that you will need to check. Now, the relay guys will be known as relay M. Under that cover right here, under this cover, integrated relay, you have one integrated relay right here. This is K, this is M. Relay M will be the one that you need to check under that cover. Now, if you don't have the windshield wipers relay, don't freak out guys. What you need to do in that case, you need to check fuses for the front SAM module. SAM module, because it's actually responsible for the headlights as well. In that case, check the fuses for the front SAM module. For any of you needing to find that video guys, if you don't know where those fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel. We're here to help you guys as much as we can. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well guys, and those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.